Hi everyone, this is Rosie, and today I would like to tell you how you can also improve your communication skills. And before even that, I would like to tell you how I improved my communication skills. Communication is something that you can build, okay? Communication is not that difficult. It is just simple as we talk in our native language. For example, we speak Hindi, right? We confidently and naturally speak in Hindi to anyone, with everyone, all right? And very simply and easily we understand. We don't even have to see the subtitles, right? We just understand because we know Hindi from child. So just like that, it is not very difficult to learn English and communication. It is as simple as learning how to write properly. All right, with practice we can write perfectly as well. So just like that, today I would like to tell you how you can also improve your English and sound more confident during your interview. First of all, please remove that fear that people are judging you and they'll judge you. They won't. They all are busy in their life. Everyone is busy in themselves. They don't even think about you. It is only you who is thinking about yourself and who is thinking that people are judging you. No, no guys, no one is judging you. Nobody have that much time to judge you, because I used to be the same person earlier. I used to think that yes, people are thinking about me, they are judging me, that this and that. But this is a myth. This is a big myth, all right? So start believing in yourself, believing in your dreams. If you have decided that you can go for it and you would be good at it, then you should never give up. You should go for it no matter what. And for that you need to start working on yourself. The way you think, start thinking already you are at the position, whatever, be it cabin crew or any other position. Start thinking that you are already that one. What would a cabin crew think and do this time? Start being kind to everyone around you. Start being positive. Then everything will get better. Stop complaining. Stop blaming. Stop judging. Stop being insecure about things. Get up from your comfort zone and just do it. Don't judge yourself. You are definitely capable enough to do it. We just give a lot of excuses to ourselves and then we eventually give up, right? You should not do this. It is your mindset, how you think about yourself, how you will be able to perform in the interview. No one is judging you, no one cares about you. You have to care about yourself. Whenever you enter the room, make sure you own it. Start thinking like you're already a cabin crew, and then everything will change. Start thinking in English. I did the same thing. How you can improve your communication skills? I believe you just need to believe. Just believe that you already have a good communication skills. That you don't need anything. You just need to believe in yourself. Because you already are smart enough. You already decided that this is good for you and this not. Then why your communication isn't that great? It is great. You just have to think that it's great. Okay? So start believing in yourself. Put energies and efforts in becoming a better version of yourself. If you decide to do something, just do it. Don't think about the result. Enjoy the process and the journey. I did the same thing. And what really helped me become a better communicator is the reading habit. I used to read books a lot. I read almost 2-3 books in a month. So it really helped me. Book reading really helped me become more confident and fluent. You can do book reading like very fast. Reading habits really helped me become more confident and fluent. Start reading books. A lot of books, okay? Every single day. Spend at least 10 minutes a day in reading. Then see how you bloom. Start thinking in English, okay? And learn grammar. Especially grammar is very important. Grammar rules are very important. Vocabulary is important. Not great vocabulary, but at least decent vocabulary is very important. So, from today, I would like to give you an example how you can focus in your communication and how you can practice. Number one, start reading out loud, not very slowly. Start reading out loud, okay? And fluently as fast as possible. Then start thinking in English. Everything. Like there is a wall, there is a black painting on the wall, it looks unique, you can say that in your mind, okay? Whatever is you, there is a book, wow, amazing color, cover, in your mind you can say that. Now, important thing, start talking to yourself in English in front of the mirror. Let's do it, okay, guys? You can also do one thing, talk in front of the mirror to yourself. You don't need anybody else to talk with. You can talk to yourself in front of the mirror and improve your English. Every day do that. Just enjoy the process and the journey. Don't just chase for the outcome, the results. Just chase for the love, the journey, the whole journey. Be traveling. Then see how you bloom. I improved my communication skills like this only. I started having conversation with everyone. Talk to ChatGPT, they'll help you. ChatGPT will help you a lot. And start believing in yourself, okay? That's how you'll bloom. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found my video helpful, then please make sure to subscribe and like. Thank you for supporting.